So I'll see you later. I'm sorry, honey. I forgot your water bottle.
It's okay, you're a good girl. It's there.
Oh, I'm a good girl. I didn't mean it.
Yes, I didn't mean it.
Oh.
Because I love you. Because you're a good girl.
Oh, thank you, princess. Such a sweet girl. Ayan, daddy's good. Daddy.
See my gab?
Okay. See. Sobrang tigas na niya, guys. Grabe. Hindi na makapag-move si Baby Celine ng todo-todo talaga. Parang ganun-ganun na lang siya. Oh, squirm na lang siya. Alam niyo ba? I think mag-start na ang ating labor, guys. Kasi nung nagda-drive na ako pa uwi, oh my Lord, sobrang kinausap ko talaga si Baby Celine. Sabi ko, anak, hold on. Huwag muna kasi nandito tayo sa sasakyan. Sobrang sumakit talaga yung yung dito sa babaan, guys. Tapos parang sa backside, sumasakit na yung tiyan ko. The sister is coming soon.
It's so big.
It's so big, yeah.
I can't move my face. I want to
Can you put this in the bin for Daddy?
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome.
back to our channel.
Nandito kami ngayon sa kwarto, guys. Kakabihis lang namin. It is now, what's the time now? 10? I think it's maganda, anak. So, nagbihis kami, guys, kasi it's Tuesday, the 10th of August. And it's Paris' school day. Ayan. Alo, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ang ganda ng sunflower na bigay ni Daddy Mike.
Mommy.
Kahapon, dinala ko dito sa loob. What is that, anak? Is that your clock? Is that your clock?
You can do that.
Yeah. Dinala ko sa loob yung bulaklak kasi sobrang init sa labas, guys, because of the heater. Baka malanta ka agad. Kaya yun. Anyways, gumising ako kaninang umaga. I'm very emotional, guys. I don't know why. But, yes, buntis pa rin si mami niyo, as you can see. Nandyan pa rin ang ating baby Celine. It's still cooking. Sobrang laki-laki na. And, the original talaga na due date, which is 14th of August. So, we're 4 days away. Hindi talaga ako makapaniwala, guys, na hanggang ngayon ay our baby girl is still cooking. Tingnan nyo, sobrang laki niya. Ayan. Ay, nakasya sa tita your outfit na, P. Your beautiful outfit, P. Wow! Do you like your outfit today?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Ayan. So, nag-open lang ako ng vlog quickly. Kasi, ihatid ko na yan siya. Yes, magdadrive pa rin si mami niyo kahit na malapit na tayong pumutok. I'll show you my outfit, guys, ha? Pakita ko sa inyo ang ating tiyan na sobrang na parang bola-bola na. Have a look. Diba? Sobrang tigas na niya, guys. Grabe. Hindi na makapag-move si Baby Celine ng todo-todo talaga. Parang ganun-ganun na lang siya. Oh, squirm na lang siya. But, yes, she is still moving. I'm just hoping na hindi siya baliktad, diba? Kasi, before, head down na siya. So, hopefully, this time, mag-stay siya na head down para walang problema. But, no. Sobrang laki na. Sobrang sexy pa ni mami niyo. Very stretchable kasi ito na dress. Kaya ito yung gusto kong suotin. Okay, anak? We're going, anak? Where's your bag? Here's your bag. Get your bag.
I'm getting candy.
I'll go get the candy when we go out. Go put the candy.
Mommy, what?
Hindi malakas ang ating boses kasi nandiyan ang kanyang
What?
lullabies. Huh?
What is it? What's
Yeah.
candy? Mommy,
It's a surprise, honey. I'll show it to you. Come on. I'll give it to you when we go out. We still have to get her a jacket. Sige na, anak.
Give me candy.
I just give me candy now.
It's over.
Give Lola Karen a cuddle and a kiss.
Whoa.
So I'll see you later.
Yeah.
What's in there? Oh, this is a screw. It's okay. Just leave it.
We'll leave it there. We'll get it later.
Yes, that's right. Hello, my plant, Daddy.
Huh?
My plant fell down. Oh no. See? Imbis ka matayo na, namatay na siya noon.
Come on.
Fix it later.
Come on.
Come on na, let's go. Pero maano na yun siya ba kasi na ano na ng fresh air and sun.
Hi, the wind is so strong.
Very strong, honey. Tingnan niyo, oh, mahangin pero may araw. Go, follow Daddy. Look to the left, look to the right, Paris. Make sure there's no cars. Bye bye, Daddy. So see you later, Daddy. Wait.
Love you.
The wind is so
Guys, sabi ko, I'm sorry, sweetheart, kasi naiwan namin yung water bottle niya. Pero hindi pa naman kami nakaalis. Pinakuha ko kay Daddy Mike. Princess! Uy, very dark man ikaw, nak. I'm sorry, honey. I forgot your water bottle.
There's okay, you're a good girl. It's there.
Oh, I'm a good girl. I didn't mean it.
Is it demon?
Oh,
It's good. I love you. Good girl.
oh, thank you, princess. Such a sweet girl. Ayan, Daddy's good. Thank you, Daddy.
See you again?
Okay. See you. Bye-bye na. Daddy's coming. Ito ang kanyang bag. Yan yung napapala pag hindi nire-ready yung bag before bitaw. The night before. Kaya naiiwan ang mga naiiwan. Are you ready, my love? Ready, steady?
Go.
Look at here. Ready, steady?
A few moments later.
Guys, guess where am I? Nandito pa rin ako sa childcare ni Paris and hala, si mami nyo ay walang hiya talaga. Nung dumating ako dito, guys, kasi naging kaibigan ko na to sila dito. Tapos yung chef nila, nagdala siya ng mga ng mga pagkain palabas. Sabi ko, oh my God, that looks so good. And smells so good as well. Sabi niya, gusto ko lang mag-try. Sabi ko, no, it's okay, it's fine na. She insisted, sabi niya, no, because I know when you're pregnant, maano daw yung pag mga cravings, ganun. Ang bait nila dito, guys. So, ito yung pinapakain nila kay, ito yung mga kinakain nila Paris. Noodles with meat. Kapal talaga ng mukha ko, guys. Kapal rocks. Totoo naman talaga, guys. Smell good. It looks so good. Binigyan niya ako. Pinapunta niya ako sa room na to. Binigyan niya ako nito. Hello, people! Time check tayo. It's 11:43 ng umaga. Kakabalik ko lang dito sa ating sasakyan. Nakita nyo kanina ang kapal na mukha ng mama nyo. Nandito pa ako sa harapan ng school ni Paris, guys. Nagchika-chika kasi kami sa loob. Tinanong nila ako how long have I got to go. Kasi sobrang na yung tiyan ko. Ayan, oh. And sabi ko, until due date, 4 days. But, yeah. Who knows, really. Sabi ko nga, hindi pa siguro lumalabas ang ating baby Celine. Kasi nga lockdown, iniisip niya, I'll just chill inside mommy's tummy. Kasi wala naman kaming magagawa pag lumabas ako. Kasi lockdown. Lockdown pa more. Sabi ko nga sa kanila na I really thought Baby Celine will come out, 2 weeks ago. Kasi feel ko na yung bang movements siya and all, but I was so wrong, and aabot pa talaga siya sa kanyang due date, or maybe more than that. Actually, kahapon nung tupi kami ng damit ng mama ni Daddy Mike, she shared something about me, about her pregnancy with Daddy Mike, which I think it was very cool, guys. Alam niyo yun, kapag kinakausap ka ng biyanan mo, and kayo, share kayo sa mga nakaraan, and yung mga bagay na relate ngayon, kasi nga 'di ba, buntis tayo. And you know what, natuklasan ko na Daddy Mike was also 2 weeks daw na 2 weeks daw na over sa kanyang due date. So it's parang it's very interesting to know. So 2 weeks daw na nag-stay extra si Daddy Mike sa tiyan ng mami niya, and kailangang i-induce. Tapos nag-epidural pa daw siya kasi kita niyo naman kung gaano kaliit ang kanyang mama, 'di ba? Sabi daw sa kanya ng doktor tsaka midwives na your body is not meant na parang talaga yung pang anak, kasi sobrang liit ng balakang niya dito. So ayun, kaya medyo natagalan daw siya. Maybe that's the reason why isa lang sa Daddy Mike, siguro sa isip ng mama niya, one is enough, like she's not doing it again. And also Daddy Mike daw, he was born sobrang liit din daw ni Daddy Mike, because Paris was 2.92 kilograms, and sabi ng mama niya si Daddy Mike was 5 point something pounds, so mga 2 point something lang din daw si Daddy Mike. So there's no wonder why na yung mga anak namin ay petite. Paris is petite because we're hindi talaga yung bang parang 6-footer kami, ganun. I had like fun na chika-chika with her. Chika-chika with Bianan. Anyways, ngayon guys is uuwi na tayo kasi nag-worry ako. Kahit kaninang umaga nag-worry talaga ako, guys, na ang tawag dito, like mag-drive ng ako lang mag-isa. Kasi just in case na yung labor ko while I'm driving, 'di ba? Kasi we're really getting there, guys. Ilang araw na talaga. So we have to I feel okay naman, wala naman problema, but I'm just scared ba na baka mag-labor ako lang mag-isa and then I'm driving. So at least nasa bahay ako, or kahit nasa labas ako, Daddy Mike is there, or yung mother-in-law ko, para hindi naman nakakatakot. Bye-bye, tita, dito. See you there.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, si mami nyo ay nasa bahay na. Nandito tayo sa bed. As you can see, guys, I have been crying. Alam niyo ba, mag-start na ang ating labor, guys. Kasi nung nagda-drive na ako pa uwi, oh my lord, sobrang kinausap ko talaga si Baby Celine. Sabi ko, anak, hold on, huwag muna kasi nandito tayo sa sasakyan. Sobrang sumakit talaga yung yung dito sa babaan, guys. Tapos parang sa backside, alam niyo yung parang natatai ako, pero ayokong tumai. Alam niyo yung ganun. Too much information, no? So, ayan. Dapat sana magkikita kami ni Daddy Mike doon sa cafe. Doon kami magla-lunch. Sabi ko, hindi, uuwi na ako kasi sumasakit na yung tiyan ko. So, Daddy Mike came home. And, yeah. Dinala niya ako dito sa bed. Sabi niya, you just relax. Ayan. Mukhang lalabas ng ating baby girl soon. Relax lang muna ako dito, guys. Hindi pa naman siya sumakit ulit, but kanina talaga sa sasakyan while I was driving, oh my god, natakot ako bigla pa. Come on. Look this on.
I can't open it.
Say hello.
Hello.
Open the.
I can't.
Say, Daddy bought this for me.
Daddy bought this for me.
Open it.
Okay. Let's go.
I can.
See, Paris
I'm gonna
likes
close
it.
my eyes.
You wanna close your eyes?
I'll open a
This
little
is a
bit.
surprise.
I'll open a little bit and then you can open the rest. Okay, go. You open the rest. Rip it. Rip. Rip. Rip.
Oh, what's inside?
This is my beautiful dress.
Beautiful dress, is it? Wow, tingnan niyo guys. Binili ni Daddy Mike the other day.
Yeah.
Or the other night online.
Yeah,
Kasi nagbili siya ng mga damit ni Baby Celine. And yan yung
Open again.
nakita niya for Ate Paris.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Two.
look.
2?
Hey, what's that?
Wow. Adidas.
Who's that?
So cute.
Mickey Mouse.
So
That's
cute.
Goofy.
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 Look, look.
Sobrang ganda.
That's Duck.
Do you like it?
Babe, how much was this one again, Daddy? This is expensive.
80 something.
Yeah, 85 this one.
Do you like?
Pero ang ganda naman, oh. Tignan yung suot niya ngayon.
Is that cute?
Adidas, pero, Uy, say thank you to Daddy na.
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Give Daddy a kiss.
There's no more.
Sobrang
You're
cute.
gonna have me cook chicken now.
Do you like it, Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure? It's not convincing, honey.
Doesn't have much sugar, so can I close?
Yum.
Yum. Did you have a good day at school?
Yeah.
Yes? Good.
That's not the longer
Someone's helping
That's a
Daddy.
long neck too.
No, that's not the longest snack.
Yes, it is.
The longest that one.
How many are you cooking, honey?
That's 5. Let's cook them all because Daddy will have one. Is that it? Oh, that's it. That's 5.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so we're gonna
If
put.
they got
Careful, yeah, anak.
So we're gonna put this one in here.
yes, I will put them right there.
Or how do you call this one?
Chicken.
This one.
The oven.
I saw chicken.
Chicken.
Oh.
Do you know that Mommy's tummy is hurting?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah. Baby sister is coming soon.
It's so big.
It's so big, yeah.
I can't move my face. I want
Yeah,
to
Paris,
eat.
can you put this in the bin for Daddy?
Daddy, Plum.
Thank
Good
you.
helping. You're such a good helper, honey.
Mommy, can you help to me together?
Do you wanna come down?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I thought you were gonna help cook.
I help.
Yeah, you're helping Daddy.
I don't want to say. I don't want to get out.
You need to stay here.
But
Because
you
we
have
need
to
to cook
check
the
it off now.
dinosaurs.
Be comfortable. Ayush! What did you do at school today?
Yeah.
Play. So, yung nag-pick up sa kanya ay si Daddy Mike tsaka si Lola niya, guys, kasi hindi ako umalis ng bahay. No? Were you happy to see Lola? Were you able to open the gate
Huh?
with that number?
No, I didn't even try.
What did you do?
I
Right.
parked
I
somewhere.
found lemon. 1 lemon. 2 lemons. 3 lemons.
3 lemons. You have lots of lemons.
Another lemon.
It's Uncle Lemon. Is it Uncle Lemon?
No, it has to have a leaf.
It's got a leaf, yeah.
Alright.
Others don't have it. Did you play with Mary?
Yeah.
What did you do?
So I think Millie is not Millie, Elwood's sister.
Huh?
I think her friend Millie isn't Elwood's sister. I think it's another girl.
Oh, really?
Were you playing with Millie when Daddy got there?
Yeah.
Was that Millie when you were touching the board?
Yeah.
Is that Millie?
Yeah, that's really.
Yeah, it's another girl.
Oh.
I got another one.
Unless Millie's got a really long hair now, and it just changed. It doesn't look completely different.
I got the bigger one.
Should look the same, Mom.
Maria, I have the big one.
Yeah, the big one. Good girl. You sleep too. I saw.
I just sleep in.
Oh, yan na naman ang
Did
ating
you like?
yan, oh.
Did you like the noodles that Fatima cooked? No, nice or
Tumitigas pa naman.
Yes.
See that here? It's not red anymore. It's like contracting again.
Yeah.
It's round around.
It's, yeah. You excited to see baby sleep?
Yeah. Can you open it?
Wait, don't open it.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. We'll go brush your teeth now. Not yet? Why not? It's late naman.
No. It's something.
What is that?
Sunny day.
Eh, sunny day. Alam niyo guys, merong cold ang ating baby girl ba? Merong cold. At si mami niyo ay, ayan, dito pa rin. Hindi pa rin ako nanganak guys, ha? Sumakit-sakit lang yun to siya kanina. Pero, it is okay ulit. Ayan. But, we'll never know. Baka bukas or sa makalawa ay magpupush na tayo. But, yeah, for now, we're just, resting and relaxing. Alam niyo guys, it's already 10 na. Anak, come here, anak, please say hi to Tanti to. We're gonna to shout out na so we can say goodnight. Oh, sure, tingnan niyo, oh, gininaw siya. Big girl na, guys. Big girl na kasi tingnan niyo. Oh, uy. Big girl? Tingnan niyo ang kanyang suot na shirt, oh, kay mama. No, that's my Mickey Mouse shirt. It's mine. We'll turn the, vaporizer kasi merong, sipon at inuubo. May ubo ka na? Do you have ubo?
No.
Shut up na panak ha. Kasi it's very late at night na. Yung lola niya ay nandun pa sa Hala, bulingitan ako eh. Ko nabantayan. Sorry guys. Nanood pa ng TV. Tsaka yung tatay niya. Now, can you put that down a little bit now? Because Mama's gonna do shout out first. Please. Baba? Can you stop it for a second? Baby girl? Baby girl? Can you stop it for a second? Shh. Baba! Can you stop it for a second? Mama will just do a quick shout out. Thank you very much. I'll let you know once I'm finished, okay?
It's finished.
Not yet.
It's your eye.
Not yet. Okay, we'll shout out.
Mommy,
Okay?
I want to watch.
Yeah, just give me a second, because copyright anak.
So,
I'll just put it low. Put the volume down. Okay? Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching today's video. And kita-kita na naman tayo bukas, guys. We'll see if makapag-vlog tayo bukas. But appreciate your time always. And shout out to Ginny Rose Parian Peralta, Emmy Garcia, Joanne Ambe, Ruby Cortez, Sharon Anto, Nicole Abigail Gumana Santiago, Adelsa Barnacia, Andrea Bautista, Melin Lorente, Calvin Borinaga, Mercy Matter, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Amy Manicani, Alina May Espera, and Elena Rasulis, Lovely Dugomeo, Lolita La Cuesta, Amay Vargas, Joanne Awano, May Gao, Pretty Jen, Sonia Stewart, Christine Namayan, Maricar Castaneda, Feli Lamparo, G. Alcera, Belen de Jesus, and Faith Peredo. Ayan, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video, anak, a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Come on, let's close it if you like it. And make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this.
Honey.
And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Bye.